loves, welcome back to the channel. Jada Vinci super lax today, y'all. I am in PJs but they match these shoes perfectly. Everything's tagged over on Instagram in case you guys are interested. But I decided to get those Balenciaga sandals because I unboxed the blue ones, but a ton of you guys wanted me to unbox some pink ones. So I have like some super light, kind of like the Skims bubblegum pink pair. I am way too excited about them. I have already taken them out of the box, tried them on, and they are actually a really comfortable shoe. So today we're going to be talking about sizing, the quality from this particular site, and everything in between. I hope you guys enjoy, and let's just hop straight into the package. The package is a traditional Balenciaga box. It is a little crumbled down at the bottom, but nothing too bad. I normally don't even keep these boxes, just so you guys are aware. The inside was actually packaged really well. They had like this type of bubble wrap on here. They did give you some StockX goodies, you know. So if you're ever thinking about ordering and gifting to a family friend, they give you the ultimate nice presentation, okay? So I do love that aspect of it. It actually didn't come with a dust bag, so that was interesting because a lot of these Balenciagas so far have been coming with like these nylon dust bags. But let's just hop into the shoe. This is the display of the first shoe. Isn't this color like really pretty? So this is the shoe. It just says Balenciaga on the back. Okay, you got the double B's at the front, Balenciaga here on the strap. Okay, so it's a nice shoe. The inside does have the Balenciaga logo. These are working Velcro straps, so you can actually adjust them to your liking. You can even adjust this back flap as well, okay? Let me show you guys the second shoe. The shoe does have like a tag on here. So this is the second shoe. Okay. So I actually noticed some interesting detailing that I hadn't noticed in the past. But it's very nice, okay? And then it does say Balenciaga here on the strap and on the back. So I opted for another pair because I absolutely loved the blue pair so much. The blue pair is over on the side. It's like a cobalt royal blue color. These are really cute, like, and when I say comfortable, they're very comfy. So if you're wondering about sizing, I'm typically a Euro 41. I state this in every video. That's my true to size, normal size in the vast majority of shoes. But when it comes to Balenciaga, I always size down one hole. So I got a Euro 40 and my foot just fits perfectly to the T. So you're gonna have to figure out how you like your shoes to fit. If you like a little extra room, you can definitely go with your traditional size. You're gonna have to double sock it, like, because Balenciaga runs big, and I don't know what it is, but the Euro sizes in Balenciaga run big. So in all Balenciagas, I typically go down to a 40. I mean, like I said, it's just how you like your shoes to fit. I like my shoes fitting to the T because I know that my foot's not growing, but I absolutely love this color. Like, it's just such a pretty, girly pink, definitely unisex if you're into pink, but these are such a cool statement shoe. I typically like to wear my like dad sandals with socks, but you know, now that it's coming to the end of summer, I've just been wearing my toes out. They're not done, but I really don't be caring. I keep them nice and manicured, but no free shows. But I love these shoes. I might show you guys how I style it, I might not. You guys can just go check over on my Instagram. But overall, I absolutely love the silhouette of the shoe. If you're looking for like a sturdy sandal, like something that's walkable, like you can wear on a hike, you can wear to Disneyland, these are definitely the shoe for you. Definitely not everybody's cup of tea because of the way that they look, but when I had first received them and I tried them on, my father-in-law thought that these were the coolest shoes that he had ever seen. So it was kind of making me think that, oh, maybe I should pick him up a pair in black because he would really enjoy these. So guys, if you're wondering, they do have more masculine colors because it's a really cool, just unique shoe design. So overall, I absolutely love this shoe. I definitely think it's worth the hype, worth your money. You will definitely be able to wear these in the fall, so these can definitely transition over to fall. Like I said, I normally wear these with socks, so if you're wondering like, oh, we're about to be in cold weather, definitely just throw on some socks and they will still be a vibe. So hope you guys enjoyed this super quick video. I absolutely love this shoe, and then I just briefly wanted to show it to you guys without any of the what's the names in there. Everything is tagged over on Instagram, and yeah, these are really cool. And this colorway is for all the ladies who like don't even really like pink. This is lit. Like, okay, bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try to try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like J and Beyonce.